Deco moment. Hey yo, the government is smoother than us, ready to bust out the gate shit. I'm raging against the machine, main game hostile with flames smashed out. I get assed out, smoking on the greenery. Check out the scenery, peep game, the favorite stolen moments to fear me. Your homies hear me, scared of the voice, I hear me. Ain't no concealing it, everybody is feeling it. I see the devil on the shoulders of killers that mirror me. I see the mirror image of fear, and it's co-defending. The code of ethic is lost in the middle with no repenting. They won't admit it, but people are scared of it committing. I'm falling victim of fear in the form of cynics. I'm far from in it, but close enough to smell the venom. I see the demons and women and men, they just wanna pin them. I wanna pin them and crucify them like who's alive. Cause the fear of a man is burning the deep inside him.
Každý ukrýva ho zbytočne, veď má ho v sebe. Má to svoje plusy, mínusy, ale bez neho je skvelé. Nesom žiadny robot z ocele a tiež masový vrah. A prečí mám kurva rešpekt, tak to je strach. Každý ho pozná, no a každý sa ustretol s tými myšlienkami, ktoré sú silnejšie jak vietor. Prebehnutie hlavou stokrát rýchlejšie jak zetor. Aj keď nerozsekajú na kúsky, spôsobujú nápor. Hovoríš ne, tak ma pekne ujebávaš si ako tí jebkovia.